You may want to scroll through Instagram using your Wi-Fi connection, but it's not working. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram not working on Wi-Fi. Without further ado, let's get started. So for example, when you open up your Instagram app, it says that you have not connected to an internet connection. So the first thing that I can advise you to do is to open up your Safari or your Google Chrome. Let's open up a new tab. And what we're going to do is to search for internet speed test and click on run speed test right here. So the reason for Instagram not loading with your Wi-Fi may be about the speed of your internet and it may be unstable. So you can just run this test and see your Wi-Fi speed and let's wait for the results and how Google sees it. So if it says your internet connection is very fast or something along those lines, you should be able to have your Instagram load. However, if your internet is doing fine and is still not working, the problem might be is with your internet provider, so you can contact them. And then what you can do is to scroll down through your control center, so at the top right part of your phone, and then you can switch to cellular data over here and turn off your Wi-Fi so you can use your mobile data instead of your Wi-Fi to have Instagram load. So if that does not work, the next thing that we will search to your Safari or your Google Chrome is Instagram down detector. So we're gonna check if Instagram servers are down because this might be the reason. So it will show the recent outages of Instagram right here, and if it says that Instagram is currently down, that might be the reason for this problem. So that is basically it on this topic about Instagram not working on Wi-Fi. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.